Okay guys, this is the nature hike. Under here I've seen a different thing that I've not seen on the others. There's a clip that goes to a loop, so when you pull this out, it pulls it all out. Now the problem is, what I've seen so far is right, yeah, not having much fun with this. Oh, there you go. Okay, I got it. Been a bit sick. So you can pick it out quite far, and you can adjust it simply like that. I wouldn't say this is easy to set up. Yes, so far this is not sitting in the middle. This is now slightly better than it was. It was like poking out all over the place. This one here I've picked out, needs to come out slightly more better than that. Hole, but it's best just to. Right, so that's it pegged out. I'm a very unfit bunny with a bad leg and a fat stomach, so getting down to do those clips is a pain in the arse. Now you can cinch the clips up either side on here, so if you've got too much one side, just pull on it, pulls it down a bit tighter. Same with the back and the back and the back. Lots of air around it. This is my this is a chair I made. I'll come to this bit a bit. So it's all stuff that has got blown down in the wind. So I mean, this was trashed last October, so I just made some like gear stands and a couple of chairs just in case we get any guests. And I can sit, make my dinner here, tent's there, I know that stump's there, so I have to walk round to the old campsite, but like I said, it's bright green, bright green. Alright guys, well that's a nature hike part 2, because I am bereft of a laptop at the moment. I can only do uploads straight to YouTube or Facebook in sections, because this thing doesn't pause. But I'm looking for an app for my phone that I can pause the video, then go back to it and start again without all this editing stuff. But then I did find an editor video suite that will let me edit it, so I will endure to endeavour. I probably am enduring at the same time, but to find a different mobile phone that'll do the job. Anyway, right guys, that's Smoky Canopy Outdoors. I bought me trail food that I made yesterday, and I bought steak and a couple of other things. But right now, I'm gonna light the mess burner and make myself some soup because I am hungry and cold. I'll just show you the tags you get with this tent. Somebody said it was a Cloud Up Peak 2 on their website, and somebody else said it was something else, but system partner Blue Designs, Nature Hike Outdoors, that's a Duraflex Y-shaped puller and stuff, that's on there. I wouldn't say it was the best setup. And that's it. It doesn't tell you what the name of the tent is or anything. It's a nature hike. Oh, it's a 210T. There you go. 210. Oh, it's having fun trying to focus. It's a 210T. And it weighs. Dun dun dun. It weighs 1,250 grams. Or 1,005. I went for green. If you get it in the grey, it's much lighter. But I went for the green. God knows why. I should have gone for dark brown, coyote brown. Well, it's like this, but anyway. That's it. That's the nature hike. Nature hike outdoors. It's a nice bag. There's instructions on the inside. Quickly show you roughly how to do it. This is the tent. This is how you break it. You know, that kind of thing. It comes with separate bags for the pegs and everything, like I said. This is a 2-man. I am not sharing that with anybody apart from my rucksack. So, alright guys, take it easy. Have a good one, get outside and be outdoors. Right, bye.